Thank you for your purchase on Dash Toys Speedy Runner. It comes in attractive colors and can be put together in just a few simple steps. Your enjoyable Speedy Runner ride is just a few steps away. You can assemble the Speedy Runner using the given parts, that is, the main body, the handle, and the handle pipe. In the first step, take the handle pipe and insert it into the main body. In the next step, take the handle and join it to the handle pipe. And now, insert the battery into the handle and close the lid properly. In the last step, lock the handle pipe in place by rotating this plastic nut. And your Speedy Runner is now all set to take you running and racing. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.